Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. SSCO Summit is being taken in place in Tianjin, China. Various matters are to be discussed there. Chinese President Mr. Li Jinping, Indian PM Narendra Modi, Russian President Putin, Pakistani PM, who is called by PTI of Forum 47 holding leader. In this conference, many of the leaders are participating for showing their economic, geographical, political, and cultural relation with this summit. As far Pakistan is concerned, the CPEC is also being discussed there, and many financial outputs are hoped that will take place there. In the past, many issues geopolitical between India and China were involved for gaining positivity in relation of China and India. The Indian Prime Minister's visit there and participation with full delegation has shown that some issues which are concerned with China on part of India will get some positive move. But as far Pakistan is concerned, India's policies have always remained negative. That Indian Ra has involvement in Pakistan through terrorism, and now presently the pressure of flood there within Indian side, which was being faced by India, the pressure of that has put into Pakistan by Indian leadership. It has damaged many villages, many crops, many houses, and killed over hundreds of people. Many were injured, and the people have left their homes and got shelters in shelter camps. And Pakistan government ought to assist them by cutting their budget for restoration of their homes as well as their daily life. Pakistan, Pakistan's leadership should discuss there that if India resolve the Kashmir dispute, the relations of Pakistan with India can get positivity. And after end of Warsaw Pact, NATO became one superpower, and we are seeing that in Gaza over 60,000 Palestinians have since been killed by Israel by air attacks as well as their forces, their armies. This is not positive gesture. This is not positive gesture if NATO is stopped there by Russian, Chinese, and the member countries of Shanghai Conference as well as BRICS. In my opinion, NATO, US will be compelled to get its place which was in the past running there, and Israel made did not make any aggressive attempts there. Now a secret has been opened there that America will take the charge of Gaza to run that territory for a long time. It clearly shows that expansionist policies of America, NATO, have created very dangers throughout Middle East as well as throughout the world. And this Shanghai summit will discuss all this situation for remolding and pave the waves which were not being touched in the past. May friendship of China and Pakistan flourish in centuries for the benefit of peace-loving countries, for the benefit of all peace-loving countries, and for the benefit of the people which want economic, cultural, geopolitical cooperation and want to see peace not only in the Middle East, within Asia, but also throughout the globe. So nice of you.